To release tension in your hamstring with your foam roller, you're going to place your foam roller right underneath your hamstring, and we're going to lift our bodies up. I am applying body weight to start to release some of the built up tension, and I'm moving back and forth. Now I find that I'm not getting as great of a release that I would like, so I'm going to bring my right leg across my left to add additional body weight, and I'm looking for those areas that need to be loosened up and moving back and forth. Good. How does that feel? Now you're going to become more comfortable with foam rolling in the foam roller as you continue the practice, but I'm going to move over to the side, and I am getting right here into the side of my hip and just digging in, and I'm now going to lift my body up so I can roll all the way down from right above the knee. You don't want to hit any bone, and I'm coming all the way back down. I can feel that loosening up. And right here, I'm just going to dig in slightly. My chest is lifted. We always want to keep our body as lifted as possible. And I'm going to come back up. Again, this is going to take some time. If you don't have the upper body strength, then just stay low and then move back and forth.